Know my voice, and I believe grace and strong voice. And I know perhaps my heart is sparse, but I'll be born without a mind. The sea that nursing my greed, my pride, I stretch my arms into the sky. Press my nose up to the glass around your heart.